Hi ladies and welcome to my channel. Hi, my name is kamsinnamani, and if it's the first time you are seeing this beautiful face, please don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button and giving this video a big thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. And if it's not, hi my loves, welcome back. Okay ladies, so in today's video, it's actually a highly requested one. I've always been asked frequently to do a video talking about how to look expensive in jeans and denim and all of that. If you are new here, then you might not know, but I do have quite a collection of jeans, and I do know that it's one of the most popular items of clothing that we have in our wardrobe. It's also one of the most versatile. You can wear jeans to work depending on the occasion. You can wear it to dinner. I believe you can wear it to anywhere, to be honest, depending on how you style it. I think the only occasion where you can't really wear jeans are like, cocktail or very formal occasions or events, but any other thing I feel like you can actually pull it off. So that's what today's video is going to be talking about. I'm going to serve some looks, some more dressy, some casual, but still maintaining the expensive chic look. So yes, if this is something you are interested in and you would like to see these looks, please keep on watching.
But you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your three.
Okay guys, so this is the first look. I have this Zara Cami from Zara. It's very simple. I paired it with my PLT. I think these are mom jeans style, and I just feel like this is so rich on its own. Again, it's just a really basic cami top. You can definitely dress this up. I will eventually go over with a blazer, but I really love this. I think it's really cute, very simple, weather appropriate, and I paired it with a YSL clutch. You can go with any other clutch. You can actually also pair it with a normal bag, but I just felt like I didn't want to disturb the neckline with this. I just wanted, this to do all the talking. I didn't really go any necklace because I prefer like my neck bare, honestly, if I really like the cutout or design of the top, and I feel it's already so simple, and I didn't want to do too much, but you can go ahead and do that if that's more of your style. I feel like this, I can wear this to like a meeting again. Guys, just make sure, I just know that I don't work a serious 9 to 5, so I don't know what is appropriate or not, but if you're just looking for a way to spruce up your denim jeans, is definitely one way to do it. The jeans are not tight, they're loose, so they also mimic like office pants and stuff. So I think it's very appropriate, honestly guys. I really do think so. I'm gonna try and pair it with a blazer right now so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about. This time I'm going to go with a Zara blazer. I just feel like a black blazer would have been maybe a bit too boring. These are not exactly the same color, but I kind of like that they are not. Again, this is more business casual, not exactly casual. So again, if you were out and you're like, oh, there's a meeting, and maybe your arms showing aren't like, it's not appropriate, pop on a blazer, you still look cute, you're still wearing jeans, but I mean, they won't know. So yeah, I think this is cute for the first look. So let's go back to the second look.
Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't.
Okay love, so this is the second outfit. I have on a off the shoulder top. I really love this top. I've had it for a while actually. It's from Pretty Little Thing, PLT, and I just paired it with some Zara skinnies. I really love these skinnies. They really sculpt my body really well. I don't feel restricted, or it's not hard. It's very soft. It stretches really well, and yeah, I just paired this more of like a casual vibe. I feel like the top brings some drama, and so I'm telling you, ladies, when you're picking out your outfits or shopping, try to go for statement pieces, even though they are in basic colors. So even though this top is black, if this was just a normal, crew neck top, nothing really spectacular because of the cutouts, it's off the shoulders, the details on the arms. It really does look a bit more dressy than it actually is. In hindsight, I'm really just wearing a crop top and, skinny jeans. I'm sorry, I'm partly millennial, partly Gen Z, so I still love my skinny jeans. Yeah, so I wore these gray ones. I really love gray actually. I feel like black tend to disappear, but gray is a bit, you're still seeing color, but it's still really muted and still not doing too much. I paired this outfit with flats because I wanted, variety. You can obviously pair this with heels as well, change the bag, change the lip color to red, and you have like a nighttime look. So yeah, that's it for this one. Let's go back to the third look.
And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself.
Alright guys, so this is the third look. I know this is not everyone's cup of tea, but I just saw this speaks of elegance. This looks very, very expensive. I think one of the easiest ways to look expensive in jeans is definitely white jeans, because it's just very lush. It doesn't really give you that denim jean feel. It's more of like office pants, to be honest. So I paired this with this top, knit top from Zara. I really love this top. It's quite different. Everyone that sees it always compliments it, and I'm like, yeah. So I know it might not really, be giving the sexy, vibe, but I really do think this is very elegant, very put together. You're not trying to do much. You already know that you're that babe, and you don't need to show all the contours of your body for anyone to know. But yeah, if you're not so comfortable with this, I wanted to also pair this with another top. So okay, so this is the second top. This top is from Shakara House. This is a brown top, crop. It's kind of asymmetric. I paired this with the same Zara brown heels. Just work with me, but I really love the combo. I low-key actually prefer this. This is more my style, but I would also wear the other outfit to something a bit more maybe polished and all that. But yeah, this is definitely more like me. It shows the body a bit more, and yeah, it's also my color tone. You guys know I love brown, so definitely up my alley. So I love both tops. Let me know which look you prefer, the first one or this one, and yeah, let's move on to the next outfit.
That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I. That's all I got in the end.
Okay, love, so this is the next look. This is for the color lovers. I always say that color actually doesn't make you look any less expensive if you do it the right way, and that's what I just tried to do here. Even though these are denim, it's still blue, and I felt like paired with this green bodysuit from Zara and my peach my peach muse from Zara as well. That's the way of adding color to the look, but still not making it too much. I still feel like this gives a very chic, expensive vibe. I also tried to match with my shoes with this YSL bag, and I feel like this is good. I tried to, bring in some color for my color lovers out there, and yeah, I really think I actually love this look. I'm like, you may or may not see me wear this one day, but these type of videos actually make me go out of my comfort zone and try out looks, because like it's a video, no one's going to beat me, and I'm like at home, so it really does make me experiment more. So I actually really do like this look. Let me know if you love this look. I really love this bodysuit from Zara. I really want to get all the colors they have. Why am I out of breath? This shows that I haven't worked out in a while, but I'm so sorry. But yeah, this is just very like the funky, cool kid that's just out for brunch. I can wear this for lunch. I can wear this on a date actually, because why not? Yeah, it's cute. It's it's still baggy. I think people feel like baggy jeans can't look expensive, but I actually don't agree with it. I think any style of jeans can look expensive, except those ones that are really, really ripped all over. I'm not going to argue anyone. I personally don't think you can pull that off if there are too many rips, but I definitely do think that you can dress up any style of jeans to make it look, expensive. So yeah, let's go back to the next look. Alright, so this is the next look. I have a asymmetric crop top white with some And these are mom jeans, right? I always confuse moms and boyfriend jeans, but again, still going by the rule that I don't think you can't dress up baggy jeans. I feel you can dress them up and they can still look expensive. It doesn't have to be tight or, you know, straight. It can still be like this, still have like a tomboyish vibe, but we can still girl it up by pairing up with heels or a nice bag. And you know, I really love this look. It's very simple. It's basically like a classic kamsinnamani uniform, white and blue jeans, but I just tried to mix it up instead of the classic button down shirt, which I probably will still show just for the sake of this video. But yes, I'm really loving this look. I tried to add a pop of color with my heels. Heels are from ASOS. It's the fact that I've never worn these heels out and I've had them for over 3 years. But yeah, no judgment zone. Let me guys know if you love this look. Let me know if you love this look. I tried to tie in my jeans with like a shoelace just to cinch in the waist because it's a better fit. So in case you guys see that, that's what that is. So to the next look.
When it's wrong, now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend tried to.
Okay, love, so this is the final look. I decided to go with shorts this time around just to still spice things up. Shorts are still jeans, and I feel like they can also, you know, be made to look a bit more expensive and not always casual. That's why I paired it with this Zara bodysuit and then went ahead with the Zara blazer, because blazers always make everything just look a bit more put together. So this is kind of like semi-casual type thing. So maybe you're going for a meeting but it's not that big of a deal. Maybe it's like, maybe you're like a freelancer and you know, you don't always have to wear the full office look. I feel like this is another way of making things a bit more fun with the shorts. I also went ahead to layer some necklaces again just to improve the look a lot more. You know, shorts are very casual, especially denim shorts. They are like more casual than even denim jeans. So that's why I went ahead to add this just to help it out a bit. And yeah, I'm really loving this look. It's really playful, really cute, not showing too much. You saw how basic it looked without the blazer and what the blazer did to the entire outfit. And yeah, we have come to the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful as well. There's so many looks you can create with jeans. That's the beauty of literally just having jeans. They're very accessible and you can play with it however you want. You can make it very casual, you can dress it up, you can dress it down, whatever you like. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you found the tips also helpful and I was able to give you some inspiration. And yeah, if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.